Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco xelsis Evo Espresso machine. Now for this machine I did quite a lot of work as I basically had to test every single function of the machine. This machine thankfully has a very nice test mode that you are able to test every single solenoid that is located on this side of the machine. You are able to test the flow of both the water pumps of the steamer water pump and the brew water pump. You're able to check the temperature of the thermal blocks, and you're basically able to test the entire machine with that test mode. You're also able to test the grinder, doing a beanless test, test with beans, and also calibrate it as well. For this machine, we had to replace the ceramic valve. This one over here was leaking. We also had to replace the brew valve, giving this machine a tune-up, and we also had to replace the water pump of the machine. This water pump is from 2015, so it's been working quite a bit already inside the machine. So we replaced those components. We make sure that everything is nice and tight on the back. I also took some extra precautions by tightening the hoses of the temperature of the thermal blocks, as well as do some preventive maintenance for the door of the machine. This door right here has a lot of components that are connected to this little spout right here. So I had to do some modifications in it and do some preventive maintenance to make sure that the machine does not leak and that it works the way it's supposed to. Starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing this machine out. I also deep cleaned the entire grinder, clean the motor, clean the burrs, as well as lubricate everything that needs to be lubricated, and then put it back. This is, I believe, going to be the first shot of espresso the machine is doing, so we might need to do a second one just to calibrate the machine. It's going to do pre-infusion, then it's going to do extraction. These can be rotated to either side for more crema or less crema, depending according to your taste. For an espresso shot, that looks nice. I'm going to do another one as well. One of the things that I love about these machines is that the grinder is direct drive and it has ceramic burrs. It's going to do on the pre-infusion state, and now it's going to be on the extraction state. Nice steady stream coming out from this machine. Beautiful color as well, and perfect quantity. You can see this shot is much better than the other one, as the machine auto-calibrates itself. Hot water for this machine, as you can see. Nice steady stream coming out from the one. Working great. And now we're going to be testing the steamer. The thermal block that is located on the left side of the machine is to get up to temperature. Once it does, the little water pump that is located also on the left side will start pulsing, and then we'll see the steam coming out from the one as the solenoid valves open and let the steam flow from the other side into here, in through the door, and then out of the steamer one. You can see excellent steam coming out from the machine, excellent temperature as well. I'm burning my hand right here. Working great. So there you have it. Saeco xelsis Evo working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.